Good, YouTube, man. Start out by saying, gratefully, happily, thank God, I just hit 200 subscribers on my birthday. For y'all who don't know, my birthday was yesterday. Today I'm recording. It's currently October 6th. My birthday, October 5th. And it's coincidence, but me, I just put it up to God, man. I got the 200 subscribers on my birthday. That was just, wicked to me, and that's big, you know what I'm saying? So with the 200 and with 200 subscribers and it being my birthday, I gotta show out for y'all. So like I said, today is the 6th, which is a Friday. Tomorrow I got something coming in tomorrow. It's a new mod I got a new mod, and then the other mod, I got 2 mods coming, y'all. The other one, I ain't gonna lie, the other one I don't know when I'ma do it, but I do know it will be soon. Possibly, I don't know. I really don't know. If I don't do it this weekend, I'm gonna do it next weekend. The mod that's coming in tomorrow, I'm for sure doing tomorrow. The mod that's after that, I think I'm gonna do it next weekend, low key. But at the end of the day, it's still 2 mods. So, yeah. So we got that coming, man. And top of that, I got like 3 bangers for y'all, for real. Low key, look, there go Ruben car. Ruben riding past your job, boy. But what I was about to say though, yeah, I got 3 bangers for y'all, man. Well, I'ma just say it like this. I got for sure 2 bangers, and I ain't gonna say for sure 3. I got for sure 2. And I got for sure 2 of them. I know I got 2 mods and an extra video y'all have not seen yet, like something I ain't did yet. You know what I'm saying? But I just made it to where I'm going, so let me try to talk to these people right quick, because I gotta cancel my subscription from them. But I need somebody to come out. I'm good. Man, we just got the package. The package came in, so if y'all want to, let me know what y'all think it is in the comments. And I'm about to go downstairs and put it on my car and install it. So, yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think it is. It's about to be mine. Y'all better watch me install it, but I'm just saying, like, if y'all's on the TV, I get it, you can't comment, so I'm gonna let y'all slide. For y'all people on y'all phones, y'all know y'all can comment, let y'all know, y'all can let me know what y'all think it is right quick, but yeah, I'm about to go install it right now. So with me being in the back of the car, and y'all see the jar, y'all probably could get a little bigger hint on what it is, but I'm about to go ahead and put this on. Get it together. Damn. This the place I ordered it from. I'm about to put on the tail light design. That's what it was. Say, let's read the note it came with. Say, thank you for your purchase. If you're happy with it, please let others know by leaving a review. So I'm about to see what it look like. opinion, I low-key want to leave it like that. The reason I say that, cause that look clean just like that to me. But I could always take it off and change it up, so I'm gonna have to get back to it. So I ended up getting it eventually. It's really hard to tell with this sun out. I had to put the chair like that to see if it was on point, but it was. So with that being said, I'm gonna show y'all when they like turn dark too. Actually, now that I think about it, when they get dark outside, I'm gonna show y'all what it look like too. But that's it for this video. But I'm about to go get dressed and whatnot because tonight I'm about to go to a meet, but that's gonna be on another video, so do it like that. So 2 videos in one day type, you know what I'm talking about? So, but I'm glad I got extras in case I want to change it or take it off or redo it. Clean up my mess, boy. I made a big ass mess of her. Gave me a towel I ain't used. God damn it. But, alright, y'all. I'm gonna cut it back on when it's nighttime then. After that, it should be a wrap for the video. Make sure I ain't leaving nothing.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turn shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?